Welcome to the heart of America, the Sunflower State, Kansas. Today we celebrate Kansas Day by delving into the rich tapestry of its past. Long before the first European settlers set foot on Kansas soil, the land was home to various Native American tribes, notably the Kansa and Osage. These communities thrived here, their cultures forever woven into the state's fabric. The arrival of Europeans was a turning point, and as the United States expanded westward, Kansas found itself in the national spotlight. The mid-19th century saw the state embroiled in a fierce debate over slavery, culminating in a violent period known as Bleeding Kansas. Despite these tumultuous times, Kansas emerged triumphant, joining the Union as a free state on January 29, 1861. Thus, the seeds of what Kansas is today were sown in the midst of turmoil and triumphs. Kansas isn't just about history. It's also a vibrant cultural hub, brimming with traditions and events. Each year, the state comes alive with the Kansas State Fair, a showcase of the state's agricultural prowess, local crafts, and community spirit. It's a grand celebration of everything Kansas, where you can witness the best livestock, taste the finest local produce, and enjoy thrilling rides. Local festivals, too, play a vital role in Kansas's cultural tapestry. These gatherings, often centered around the state's agricultural heritage, unite communities in celebration and camaraderie. From wheat harvest festivals in the heartland to sunflower festivals in the fields, these events are a testament to the Kansans' love for their land and their pride in their roots. This appreciation for tradition, combined with a deep respect for the state's past, is what makes Kansas truly special. Indeed, the Sunflower State blooms with rich traditions deeply rooted in its past. From rolling hills to fields of sunflowers, Kansas is a tribute to the majesty of Mother Nature. The state's landscapes are as diverse as they are stunning. Picture this: vast prairies that stretch as far as the eye can see, kissed by the morning dew and bathed in the warm glow of the setting sun. These prairies are a testament to the tranquil beauty of the Sunflower State. Moving on, we find ourselves amidst the rolling hills, their undulating forms creating a mesmerizing visual rhythm that's pure poetry in motion. These hills, cloaked in a blanket of verdant green, offer a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. And then, there's the Flint Hills, a unique terrain that truly captures the essence of the Great Plains. The rugged beauty of these hills, with their rocky outcrops and tall grass prairie, is simply breathtaking. Kansas, with its sweeping landscapes, paints a picture of the quintessential Great Plains. Kansas has been the cradle for many influential individuals who have left indelible marks on history. Take, for instance, Amelia Earhart, the legendary aviatrix born in Atchison, Kansas. She shattered glass ceilings as the first woman to fly solo across the Atlantic, inspiring countless others with her courage and tenacity. Then there's President Dwight D. Eisenhower, hailing from the small town of Denison. His leadership during World War II, and later as the 34th President of the United States, left a profound impact on the world. These are but two examples of the remarkable Kansans who have shaped our world. From the fields of science to the realms of art and politics, Kansas has been a fertile ground for nurturing greatness. Its sons and daughters have ventured forth, leaving their mark on the world stage. Kansas, thus, nurtures greatness, shaping individuals who have changed the course of history. Every journey needs a taste adventure, and Kansas doesn't disappoint. The state's diverse food culture, a delightful consequence of its agricultural heritage, offers a tantalizing array of flavors. The fertile soil of Kansas yields bountiful crops, influencing the local cuisine and making farm-to-table dining a way of life. Let's savor the smoky flavor of Kansas City-style barbecue, a regional specialty that's made Kansas a must-visit destination for barbecue enthusiasts. Whether it's slow-cooked brisket or fall-off-the-bone ribs, the barbecue joints here have perfected the art of smoking meats. But the culinary journey doesn't stop at barbecue. Traditional dishes like bieroks, a bread pocket stuffed with ground beef, onions, and sauerkraut, reflect the state's German immigrant roots. And let's not forget the chicken fried steak, a comfort food staple that's best served with a generous helping of country gravy. Kansas, with its culinary delights, serves a feast for every palate. As we conclude our journey, let's turn our gaze to the vibrant and modern aspects of Kansas. The Sunflower State is not just steeped in rich history, it's also brimming with contemporary charm. Kansas's thriving cities like Wichita, Topeka, and Kansas City are buzzing hives of innovation and culture. These urban hubs are home to cutting-edge industries ranging from aerospace and renewable energy to agriculture and digital technology, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Yet Kansas isn't all about fast-paced city life. The state's strong sense of community is palpable, where neighborly spirit thrives and local businesses are cherished. This warm, communal atmosphere provides a comforting contrast to the state's dynamic urban landscapes. Balancing its evolution with the preservation of its unique identity is a skill Kansas has mastered. The state seamlessly blends the old with the new, embodying progress while holding on to its roots. Kansas, a testament to resilience, continues to grow, retaining its charm and character. Our journey through the heart of America, Kansas, now concludes. We've wandered through the annals of time, uncovering a rich tapestry of history that shaped this land. We've celebrated the vibrant culture molded by the Native American tribes, the Kansa and Osage, and the traditions passed down through generations, making Kansas truly special. We've marveled at the breathtaking landscapes from vast prairies to rolling flint hills and expansive fields of sunflowers. We've applauded the remarkable Kansans like aviation pioneer Amelia Earhart and President Dwight D. Eisenhower, who have left indelible marks on history. We've savored the diverse food culture from mouth-watering smoked meats to farm-fresh traditional dishes. And we've witnessed the modern Kansas, thriving cities, innovative industries, and a strong sense of community, all testaments to the state's evolution while preserving its unique identity. Thank you for joining this adventure through the Sunflower State. Until next time, happy Kansas Day and keep exploring.